Okay, so I think a few announcements. What all? Okay, so tomorrow morning, first thing, I guess the bus will be here at 7:45. So by 8 at the latest you should leave, which means that you can't have breakfast upstairs, which starts at 8:30. Which means that you are on your own to have breakfast. So figure it out what to do. Help them to figure out what to eat for breakfast, because there in Mandara, their breakfast. Oh, okay, because I thought they come here to have lunch. I mean, so I didn't know about this. Anyway, I'll leave it to you to figure it out and do something. Yeah? I'm sorry? At 9:30 we'll start, but I guess 8 so that the first day, well, sometimes the bus drivers don't know where they're going. Has happened in the past. So anyway, so just to give it a little bit more time. One thing. What's another thing? Okay, all those files and stuff will be on the web slowly tonight, hopefully. So, okay, and participants' presentations, right? Right now, there is an hour and a half that's left for participants' presentations, and we'll probably have half an hour more afterwards, so maybe 2 hours or so. So as Chris said, I think it would be very good if all of you present something. It doesn't have to be a polished, finished research work, right? It can be a problem of interest to you that you're working on currently. And if that's the case, then it could be simply say 2 minute to 5 minute. If you want to have a sort of say research presentation to present your paper, your research or something, then it could be 10 minutes. I don't think more than 10 minutes is going to be possible, given that there is 32 of you. So if it's hour and a half, that's 3 minutes each. So, no, so I think right now there's only 4, but so, and that will be tomorrow at noon and at 4 o'clock or something like that. So I will put up there. So the schedule will also be linked on the web page. The main web page of IC, the DARP, will have a link to, I can show you, right? So, I think, it's not for me, right? Well, it's for me it's not for us to only get to know you, but I think it's a good practice, right, for you to get used to these things. So, where is it? There. So I will put it up here. At the end of this, I will put up the schedule of the conference, and should have been up long ago, but is not. So, okay. So give the titles to. Sorry, I forgot your name. Rani. And yeah, so I expect all of you to speak. Yes, 1 yes, 2, 3 maybe smiling. More? Any more? Okay. Well, so I think. Okay, I'll leave it to you. Yeah. So give all the titles to her, and it would be good to have all the presentations. So anyway, in general, the presentation should be more than, I don't know, 5 slides, or 5 to 7 slides or so, right? You just won't have time for that. So it will be at the most 10 minutes, if at all. I'm expecting more like 3 minute to 5 minute presentations. Yeah. So it will be useful if all the presentation talks are on one USB, which can be with her, for example. Oh, that's your own laptop, right? Yeah, so she will have a laptop so that you can give her the presentation and copy it on one USB stick. So, okay. Any other questions right now? Oh, one more. How many of you have this with you? Can you raise your hands quite high up so that I'm sure I can counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I think we need to turn those in today. The rest of the projects, the lab, the computer lab there has MATLAB and guest accounts and all that, so you should be able to work there. Okay? So bring those laptops in here. I will ask Gaikwad to take care of all that, but yeah, okay. So. Yeah. Well, at least the group with which I was meeting, I requested them to meet well, very often, in the sense that at least once a day, maybe twice a day or so, because you have only 8-9 days to do a project. If you don't do it often enough, it's not going to be very easy or fast. So, so the group that's working together on a method should maybe meet and talk about what you are going to do, what the plan is, because only you have to present the plan by Friday. So, yeah. Oh, where will you get the model? You will get the model, I think, on the web page, the same as yeah. By tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we will so to say uniformize the models and then yeah. Okay. So.